Hello everybody, today we start with World War I and its causes. The glorious age of science, social reforms and democracy that started in 1830 ended in 1914 with imperialism and consequently with World War I, which was the product of chauvinism, ambition, competition for markets and old hatred nationalism. This is something that you must remember. The participants were the Triple Entente, France, Great Britain and Russia. This Entente came from the dual alliance that we are going to study in future classes. This Triple Entente fought against the Triple Alliance, which was composed by Austria-Hungary, Germany and Italy. But we have to remember that Italy at the beginning of World War I remained neutral and then declared war to Austria, so Italy moved to the Triple Entente. Which were the long-term causes? Economic causes, commercial and industrial rivalry between Germany and Great Britain. If you remember, in 1871, Germany was unified, product of the Franco-Prussian War, and she was producing more iron and steel than Great Britain and France together. Her products replaced British products in almost every market, in Europe, in the Far East, and even in Britain. And Germany was building the largest shipping lines, challenging Britain's supremacy on the sea. So this was a situation that worried Great Britain too much. Another important cause was the German industrial expansion. This situation alarmed France. Remember that France had lost Alsace and Lorraine in the Franco-Prussian War, and the coal and iron deposits of that region had gone to swell the industrial growth of Germany, which was becoming more and more powerful, and this situation was alarming from France and from Great Britain. Another important cause that we are going to study as regards economy is economic antagonism. Economic antagonism had three different situations. The first one was Germany with France. They were fighting over the right to exploit mineral resources and trading opportunities in Morocco. Another important situation was that the Russian ambition to gain control over Constantinople and other portions of Turkish territory conflicted with German and Austrian plans for reserving the Ottoman Empire as their own happy hunting ground of commercial privileges. Another Constantinople nowadays is Istanbul in Turkey. Another important situation of economic antagonism, Russia and Austria were rivals also for a monopoly of trade with the Balkan kingdoms of Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, and Greece. Austria was anxious to prevent these countries from falling into the Russian orbit, as Russia was desirous of extending her power over all the Slavs in Eastern Europe. So this situation involved these countries. The Berlin to Baghdad Railway, it was a project from the Bosphorus to Baghdad Railway that extended to the Persian Gulf so as to open a shorter road to India. It was a very big project, so German capitalists invited French investors and British bankers. Each one were going to receive the same portions of capital stocks and also equal representation in the board of directors. But unfortunately, this project ended up in resentment because suspicion led to the discouragement of the project. So this invitation to French investor and British bankers resulted in a failure because of suspicion and obviously jealousy. So these are the most important economic causes of World War I, long-term causes. See you next class. Bye bye.